One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Lots of cars we've been working on here. This is coming up. Actually, I got the Trans Am sold before I could even get it up on the website. Well, I got it on the website. I couldn't get it on anything else. It was only up for 2 days. This is about speed sensors, and especially in Dodge products, Plymouth products. Basically, speed sensors could be the reason your car is not shifting, the reason why your car, the odometer is not working. They literally will not shift out of first sometimes. My uncle had one where he had his daughter driving it, and she just grenaded the motor because she's on the freeway and everybody's passing her, and so she just went, whoa, in first gear as fast as she could. So let's go for a test drive. Yeehaw. Now, it don't like to shift. So, that's a new development, but so going down the road at 5,000 RPMs. Speedometer is not turning, but it runs, drives, shifts really good. Stops. You know, all the important stuff. That's 65. Little speed sensors is all it is sometimes. Not guaranteed to fix your problem, and I'm not going to show you how to do that. There's plenty of videos here on YouTube. Down in the links below, there's links to my Amazon store where the best priced ones of these speed sensors are. Check it out, click on that, and enjoy. But I'm going to show you the sensors and the car, and basically anything, man. Dodge 15, Ram 1500s, 3500s, lots, every single Durango and Aspen and Caravan and all that crap, man. Infinities and, not Infinities, what are they? Intrepids and Stratuses, everything. I got a lot of gold cars right now. Got the Intrepid, I got a Monte Carlo or Impala over there, and I got the Lexus. There's one more around here somewhere. Not a fan of gold cars, I just happen to get them sometimes. This is about my Intrepid. It's a nice Intrepid, it's only got 124 on it. I'd only driven it around the lot, and I thought that my woman took it to town to go take the mail outs in, but she actually had not. She had taken the Impala. So when I went for my test drive in this, thinking it was a great running, driving, shifting car, it absolutely was not. And it would not shift out of first. Usually, I don't luck out with sensors, but if you have this problem, it's worth a shot. I bought the car as a donation car, and it's a nice car. And it's got nice newer tires on it, like brand spanking new almost. Titties all over the sides, interior's clean. It's a nice car. However, it wouldn't shift. And on the tranny, it's really easy, little simple fix. Only takes a few minutes to change them out, but it's these. And if you've got a Durango, I mean, there's basically almost an Aspen, I mean, there a Journey, everything. This thing would not shift until we replace these little sensors. And now, shifts beautifully, shifts fine. I absolutely recommend that if you've got a problem with your Intrepid, Durango, or maybe I'll put a list of them in here. Almost any car in a Dodge that don't shift, well, these speed sensors absolutely could be the problem. And there's other brands where that might be the problem on something. I'm not sure. But in this and these Dodges, it's a very common problem and such. All kinds of cars and trucks for sale. If you're interested, call me up. I got another Mustang convertible 5.0 in, manual. All kinds of cars around here. What are you doing, Vlad? You got, okay, he's even got a car. We'll sell you his car. I'll sell you any car. Just a quick video about the speed sensors. If your car won't shift out of first, I absolutely recommend giving it a shot. $16.99 for these on Amazon. If you go to O'Reilly or AutoZone, it's gonna be, I think it's 45 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Look at my other videos. I've got like 8,000 of them on here. All kinds of old classic cars. Explorer is beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you later. You gonna say hi? Hi. Say subscribe. Right. Subscribe. Yes. Yeah, subscribe. Okay, down in the links below, there's links to my Amazon store where the best priced ones of these speed sensors are. Check it out, click on that, and enjoy.